Monster on the beat, hope, people, rap niggas give people, man down, all right, Everland, tell them please, bro, tell a nigga to the cross, walk around like he know what's up with these phony ass niggas trying to get Compton. Niggas speaking hate, fuck them all in their mama. How many options we got? I mean, it's too many options. It's too many options. Up in the past, I'm Mr. Jackson. They don't have to buy out you. Ay, yeah. Sales block the morning. Make sure you have your little sister phone. So you tell someone you want to get your hand down. And party at the park with his nose now. And buy certified lover boy, certified terrorized. That fucking motor. I'm a big fuck. Right? Like a big H top.
Ano ba? Backflex.
They not like us. They not like us. You think that they gonna let you disrespect my nigga? I think that open show feel that's like this. They cold cloud, I don't know why you still pretending. What is that? How other niggas and earth bitches know? The honey is not dumb. Shit is slow, tell you what. Can't check that, not slow. I've been holding still cheap. I can't go further, I promise you that's
Kamay sa batok.
Boy, still reading the song. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. He couldn't get a wedgie. He flipped over your box.
Thank you, Kigwa,
Other rational options.
sa chicken.
Straight make push. My fingers on your touch. I write this with a dash. And the cops not quit hiding. Fuck a action, more action, no accident. No hands on. You fuck around, get polished. Fuck no rain guard. You
Thank you, Kigwa.
get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad he rose, came home. That didn't deserve you either. I'm behind you down to Central. Nigga, that got me go Sabina. And your homeboy needs a subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered. You pay some nigga to watch. I really know you niggas like I got around the block. Yeah, I'm not gonna hit you. I'ma get it up. Cause I'm like, one way, I can get them back.
Thank you, Kigwa and Grilla. That's the bar. Boss, ask ko lang, gusto ko sana magpalaki ng katawan kaso nasa 40 kg lang ako. Ano ka muna? Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan na magsisimula. Thank you, Kigwa. Magano ka muna, par? Ano ba, 40 kg ka lang? Thank you, Kigwa. 1, 2, 3. Asa na yun? Magsimula ka muna sa pwede magpaturo. Pwede magpaturo. Sige. Tingnan ko mamaya. Nag-gym ka ba? Nag-gym ka ba sa Or walang nasa bahay ka lang? Kung sa bahay ka lang, ka muna, mag-push up. Baka di mo naman buksan ang message mo. Saan ba? Dito ka ba magme-message sa TikTok? Abs flex. Laki ka muna. Kumain ka muna ng mga protein foods. Sige, tingnan ko, Kigwa, ha. Abs flex. Wala akong abs. Warning, ma-restrict ang inyong account sa loob ng 10 minutes. Hindi ka ma-end live. Nakakatakot naman. Tingnan ko mamaya, King.